开始了。
So today this video is for introducing how to use our sedation system in the clinics, in the real operation. So first, as you can see, this is our S8800B sedation system. And here now we have already, after the installation and connecting with all of the pipelines. So here we're connecting with the inspiration port and also the expression port for this kind of pipeline. And this kind of pipeline is being using in the dental department, usually for some dental operations. And also, the most important thing is that you need to connect with the gas source. So for our sedation system, the gas source is two gas. It means it has the nitrous oxide and also oxygen. So we must first ensure the machine to be connecting with our gas source. There we have oxygen and nitrous oxide. You ensure that both gas already been connected. Then now here, let's look at the machine. And first, we're connecting the pipelines with the patient like this. We ensure actually the lace plug and the tube, the mask, can be very fitable with the patient face, so there will be no any leakage, or at least very less leakage. Now let's look at the machine. So now we switch on the power, and the power button is by the back side of the machine. After we power on, we can see first enter into self-testing. It's only take 2 seconds to 3 seconds, so it can ensure some fast operation. Then we can see we get into the standby interface. So usually for using for a patient, no matter what kind of illness or what kind of operation, first we must ensure the patient to breathe in some pure oxygen. We call it the oxygen uptake. So here first we can see the flow is already preset by 10. And usually we're making the flow like this. We rotate our buttons and then we set it from 10 to 15, all okay. And the nitrous oxide concentration, we do not adjust it. We make it pure oxygen. So now we press the running button, the first one, to let our patient breathe in for at least 10 to 20 seconds for the only pure oxygen. So now the patient actually is breathing in the pure oxygen. For breathing in the pure oxygen is for ensure that, because we know some kind of patient, maybe their SpO2 or maybe their breath is not very good before the operation. Also sometimes they feel nervous. So if you can give them some pure oxygen, then they will feel comfortable, and then they can cooperate with the doctors for the next operation steps. Okay, now I think 10 to 20 seconds is already finished. Now we can starting from some lower nitrous oxide concentration, and then we will see the patient reflection and their feedback to see if we need to increase or decrease nitrous oxide sedation. Okay. Now we rotate our button to our concentration setting here, and we make it to 10 first. And by the same time, we will see about the waveforms, and also here we see the oxygen concentration monitoring. Now actually some of the nitrous oxide are already getting into of the patient. And we also, at the same time, as per our experience, we also need to look at our patient face to see if they feel comfortable or not. And after already around half minute or maybe 1 minute, then we just make the concentration higher. Now we make it to 20. And at the same time, we also look at about the monitoring concentration data and also check our patient as well. We also make this step around 1 minute to 2 minutes. And also we can communicate with our patient. Do you feel any uncomfortable or feel some kind of feelings?
No, it's okay.
No any feelings?
Yes.
So it means actually now, at least our patient can still listen to our doctors to know what the doctors will let her do, and also she can cooperate. Then we move it again to 30. So usually for me, actually, I make the increment for about 10 liters per minute. But sometimes, if you want some fast operation, you can also make it to 15. For example, now this time, I will make it to 40. Can you feel that you are breathing not only oxygen?
I don't know.
So what about your feeling now? A little bit. Can you feel something?
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Just feel comfortable.
Yes, I want to sleep.
You want to sleep?
Yes.
Okay. And do you feel pain?
No pain, but I can touch you.
But you can feel that I'm touching you. Okay.
Yes.
So that for now, actually, if our patient can give us the reflection or feedback like this, for example, they can still hear what the doctor is mentioning, and they can still cooperate. And if we touch them, they cannot feel pain, but they can know that actually you are doing something to her. So that means actually we can start it for the operation. So now actually we can start. And after the operation is finished, then here we can see we can press the concentration to 0. And now give the patient, make the flow a little bit higher because they just breathing much nitrous oxide. We make it 20 or maybe we can make it 30. Okay, now we give the patient the pure oxygen again. At least ensure them to breathe in for 1 minute or 2 minutes. And after they totally wake up, then just stop. So all of the operation will be finished. Let's look at the patient here now. Do you feel the difference with gas now?
Yes.
If you feel you are all okay and you can move in, just tell me.
Okay. I think it's okay.
Okay. So if the patient tells us actually they are wake up and everything is okay, we just press the running button again to stop the ventilation. Okay. And now we can take the breathing tube out from the patient and let them get up. So you can see the patient actually feel okay. So this will be the video. Thank you.
Thank you.